Video number 30. Welcome to this channel. Create a simple transition like this. Open After Effects. Create new projects and sequences. Add a solid layer and custom it. From the Effects and Presets window, add the Radial wipe effect to the solid layer. We can customize completion, angle, wipe center, wipe, and feather. Very good. Animate the transition completion from 100 to 0. Press F9 to ease and edit in Graph Editor. Make 3 duplicates from the solid layer and set a few frames forward. Change their colors. Very good. Now, in order for the new video to be transitioned, we have to create a pre-comp for the last solid layer with the keys Ctrl+Shift+C and add the video inside it. Note that we must select Leave All Attributes. Very good. Enjoy the motion graphics you created. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and like.